Hello everyone! Today we continue talking about the sewing equipment of my fashion house. Last time I showed you the equipment we use for ironing and steaming. Today I want to tell you about the sewing machines and overlockers. I'll show you the machines we use and what we use them for. People often ask if we use household sewing machines in my fashion house. No, we don't. You can make an item of a perfect quality only on an industrial sewing machine. Of course, you can use such machines at home when sewing for yourselves. We make items for our customers. People pay for them. Clothes we make should be perfect. We use lock-stitch sewing machines. In my fashion house, there are machines with two different types of engines, noisy and soft. The ones which were bought long time ago are noisy, and the new ones are soft. Of course, I like the new ones more, but the thing is that our tailors often forget to turn them off. Now let's have a look at the sewing machines. This is a lock-stitch sewing machine. The length of the stitches is not more than 5 mm. The workplaces of my fashion house are very convenient. Anyway, this is not what we are talking about today. We mostly use JUKI sewing machines in my fashion house. You can see 4 of them now. All of them are lock-stitch sewing machines. We have 12 lock-stitch sewing machines in my fashion house. There are some very expensive sewing machines nowadays. They can be controlled electronically, they can cut threads themselves, and so on. There are a lot of different types of them. They are absolutely amazing. Anyway, I believe that lock-stitch machines are enough to make items of a very good quality. JUKI sewing machines are very reliable. I recommend using them. We've never had any problems with the lock-stitch sewing machines. We sometimes ask a mechanic, Alexander, to come and check them. Do not forget to change oil and clean your sewing machine. In this case, everything will be okay. Have a look here. This is a 3-thread overlocker. We don't use it for strong fabrics. To be honest, we do not use it too often. The tailors of my fashion house prefer to edge seams other ways. Make French seams or cover them with lining, for example. We have 3 such overlockers in my fashion house. I don't see much difference in industrial overlockers of different producers. They are all pretty reliable. Have a look here. What is a 4-thread overlocker? This seam was made with it. It not only stitches the fabric, but also cuts the edges. The seam is very strong. Notice that the fabric stretches anyway. If you use knitted fabrics, you need a 4-thread overlocker. You should have at least one 4-thread overlocker in a tailor house. They are very convenient. Have a look at this lock-stitch sewing machine. It stands separately because we don't use it often. This sewing machine is used for strong fabrics. We use it to stitch jeans, coats, and so on. This sewing machine allows using very strong threads. One more important thing is that the length of the stitch can be 7 mm. We have just one such machine in my fashion house. It's enough. Anyone can use it. This sewing machine is also very good for making finishing lines. This is because the length of the stitches can be pretty big. Now you know which sewing machines and overlockers we use in my fashion house and what we use them for. I personally don't think that industrial sewing machines of different brands have much difference. They are all pretty reliable. Next time we'll continue talking about the sewing equipment in my fashion house. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.